Up for sale is my 2007 Aprilia Tuono 1000R. Just going to do a quick walk around here. Does have a rear fender eliminator and GPR slip-on pipes. I do have the stock silencers along with the quiet core inserts for these also. Tire is almost pretty much brand new. Got a lot of tread. Pilot power. Chain is also in good shape. The bike is really clean. Like I said, it's been a great motorcycle. I wanted to get into more of the adventure riding. Very tastefully done. Bike, it's been a blast. Go ahead and I'll turn it on. Let the display come up. Not quite focusing here. See if I can switch it to the odometer. Oh, I had to go to mode. 86.75 is the mileage on it right now. Go ahead and start it up. I forgot to add that the front tire is also nearly brand new. Lots of tread on it also. Oh, front and rear brake pads were also replaced last year. I forgot about that I did that. Thanks for looking.